go.
Okay. Time to bring her home?
Do it, yeah. I had at the dealership, I kind of tell what happened to the bumper. When we were coming back from Texas, a concrete truck, something happened. Everybody had to stop. I had to make evasive maneuvers. Somehow the strap slid off. Car went over the front of the trailer. Luckily, they had that brace and it just destroyed the front bumper. Well, nothing else was wrong with the car.
At least you got another one.
I did, yeah, exactly. And I tried to buff the clear back out of this. I don't think it's going to come back. We're going to have to completely wet sand that hood back.
This thing's really not too bad. She's real close.
Gotta plug that intercooler up. Really? It came off the trailer, no problem.
I don't know.
Maybe it's because we're. I think it's because we're uphill.
Yeah.
Where's Garrett at?
Even if you got pissed, he should be.
Just set the trailers on the ramp and point the trailer downhill.
Yeah, she was real close. I fucking love these wheels.
See, that's the interior. Look at that. This is a cool interior.
Shoot, we might as well just drive it home.
I know, huh? Sure, we got bungee cords. We can just strap everything
It'll be
on.
fine.
Where? Yeah, man. Just give it a little bit.
Car, it just needs some loving. Like, it sounds great, it's mechanically healthy, it needs a modern computer, fuel system clean, tires, the wheels repowder coated, and paint. Yeah, there's a few spots here, one there, but it's not like through it, it's just surface.
I mean, you do have another car.
And then this hood either needs wrap or wet sanding.
Do a little better.
You made it. Already going for a burnout. Oh, all the dust.
Shit.
Yep.
Whoa.
We don't even know what's wrong with it yet, and he's already doing burnouts.
Yeah, that is like every other car he's ever bought.
That car sounds cool as shit though.
Yeah, it almost sounds 2J-like.
It sounds very 2J-ish. That VG just has a different ring to it with cams and the RPM. That was like 8,100.
I'd say it's good, just drive it.
Oh yeah, just fucking scrape that front thing.
First drive.
Man, I love the red key. That is super cool.
He's going for another?
So luckily, for my other Z that I have that's currently for sale if you're looking for one, I had this JDM Fairlady Z bumper that I had ordered, geez, it was probably a year and a half ago, that I'm a big fan of. And this is the OEM one with the license plate bracket. This is probably what will end up back on this car, not the Twin Z design. I know people really enjoy that Twin Z design, but I'm kind of a big OEM Plus guy. And I think the 99 front fascia on these cars, and plus it's polyurethane, it's not fiberglass. Like, if what happened with this car running up on the trailer would have happened with this, it wouldn't have destroyed the freaking bumper. Kind of give you an idea of what it looked like. You get the idea. I just much prefer that bumper. We're gonna get it coated. We're gonna get the whole car painted. We're gonna rip this little ricey chicken scratch stuff out of it, have the hood redone. Cool thing about this car though, since it was built right, you know, back in the day, they had EEPROM ECUs in these, so they didn't really have a lot of standalones. So they did the twin mass airflow conversion. I think it's called a Silent or Sealant box. Let me see, it's right here. Silent, yeah, Silent twin mass airflows. They actually used the stock blow-off valves and recirculated them. I know the hood is pretty clean. You know, it's got the hard pipe kit. You know, obviously tell they do like sensors and VDC cam gears. You know, they did the 360 fuel rail loops. You can't see the turbos on these cars, obviously, but it's got the Jim Wolf Technology Sport 750s on it, which are a Garrett-based turbo, supposedly good for 700-800 wheel. The car's just kind of dated. It was built in 2014-15, but it's got a nice built motor, CP and Carrillo and fluid dampener. The interior of this car is what I'm in love with. Like, it's in really good shape.
Yeah, that's clean.
Yeah, seats are in great shape. I really like the cloth tweed. Door panels are in great shape. It's got the old school HKS carbon fiber shift knob. It's got the digital Grady Profect boost controller. It's got twin wide bands. You know, at some point, you know, they had the old school AEM boost gauge and coolant temp. But it's just a really freaking clean car. Like the headliner's in amazing shape. I haven't even thought about T-tops.
Oh wow, I didn't even know it did that.
Yeah. It's just a time capsule, man. And those that know me know that I love bike cars that are kind of period correct time capsules. It's got all the factory floor mats, bunch of extra stuff. It's got these Twin Z design pieces that go in the door here. And I guess it came off at some point. They go like right here. So those go there. I think this may be the passenger one, but you get the idea. Kind of completes the body kit. I'm not crazy about these, but they're not horrible. Rear bumper's aftermarket, side skirts were aftermarket, front bumper was aftermarket. It also had this little diffuser thing that went right here. Then it also had the Twin Z lip that got broken.
What's left of it?
Yeah, this piece right here, I guess this sets up like so. I gotta go backwards. This. Nope, there's like that. Something like that. Something along those lines. Something. Maybe like that. I don't know. Some kind of diffuser. Not too crazy about that. So I probably won't keep that. But man, it's a amazingly clean car. It's got the, you can't see underneath it, but it's got the nice KW coilover kit. Come with all the tools. I don't know, I'm pretty excited. This car, first thing is to get it running right, make a number, and then worry about paint and body. But I feel like for what I paid for it and everything that's done to it, it's got me a pretty good leg up on a pretty epic 300ZX build. Because the Z was the one car that was a twin turbo car from the 90s that I didn't own. You know, probably gonna get flamed for this, but I don't consider the NSX the same league as these cars just because it didn't have turbos. NSX is a phenomenal chassis, super exotic looking car. It's just, it didn't have factory turbos, and that's why I've just never been much of an NSX fan. I like the Integra actually more than I like the NSX, so that's kind of why I ended up with an Integra. But this car just gives us a great base to build on, and hopefully in the next 3 to 4 months, get this car making some power. So this should be pretty cool. Be sure to follow along. We're gonna do a lot of content on this car as well as some of these others if we can get some more time in our life. So thanks for watching.